I have created a simple website on my Kali Linux, but if you look closely, this is just not any website. This is a website of the dark web. As you can see, I have a .onion URL, which means if you are not connected to the Tor network, you cannot access my website. So in this video, we're going to be learning how to create a website on the Tor network with an onion URL. So let's get started. I'm in my Kali Linux right now. I have created a folder called website. If I go inside the folder, I can see there is a picture called cat.jpg and an index.html file. I will right click and click on open terminal here, and the terminal will start in my website directory. If I give ls, I can see the index.html file and the cat.jpg picture. If you're wondering what is the index.html file, it is an extremely simple HTML code with a header and 3 paragraphs and a picture of a cat. You can copy the code if you want. If you know how to write in HTML, then write your own code. I'm making a simple website for demonstration purposes only. So after confirming you're inside the website directory, start the Python HTTP server inside this directory. To do that, type the command python3 space -m space http dot server space --bind space the IP of your local host, which is 127.0.0.1 space the port number that you want to host the website on. I want to host the website on port 8080, so I will type 8080 here and then press enter. And now the website is hosted. If I open up my Firefox and type localhost colon 8080 and press enter, I can see my website is hosted locally. Now let's host this website on the dark web. So I will go back to my terminal, keep the Python server running, and then open another tab. And now we have to go inside the Tor directory. So type the command cd space /etc/tor and press enter. Once you're inside the Tor directory, there is a file called torrc. We need to configure this file. So open the file with your favorite text editor. I'll be using nano, so I will type the command sudo nano tor rc and press enter. Type the password for my user. And once the file opens up, scroll down until you see this line. This section is just for location hidden services. Under this section, uncomment these two lines, which is the hidden service directory and the port, and change the port number to port 8080 because we have hosted our service on port 8080. Also, copy and save the path of this directory because you'll be needing it later, and then save the file with Ctrl+O at the same time in your keyboard and press enter, and press Ctrl+X and type the command sudo systemctl start tor and press enter. And now our website is hosted on the dark web. To get the URL of your website, change to the path of the directory that you copied earlier. So I will type cd space paste the path and press enter. You have to be the root user for this, so type sudo space su and press enter, and you will be in the root shell. While you're the root user, again change to the path that you copied earlier, and inside this directory, if I give ls, I can see a file called hostname. If I get hostname, I can see this is the URL of my website. Now anyone with this URL and connected to the Tor network can access my website. So I'll copy this URL, and in my Tor browser, I will paste the URL and press enter. And I can see my website is hosted on the dark web. So this is how to create your own website on the dark web. That is for the end of the video. If you like this video and want to watch more content related to Kali Linux or ethical hacking, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.